white bass. No? Little largie. Little tiny one. Little tiny guy. There we go. There we go. Yep. What are you gonna do? Angry little fish, man. Of course, I'd be angry too. That's good. Cool. All right, so far we've gotten a couple on a jerkbait, just sort of looking for them to burst the surface. It seems like the fish are kind of roving a little bit, so I've not had a whole bunch of luck finding them and, you know, just set up off of rocks or wood or anything like that. Gonna make a little bit of a move downstream to a little bit of a confluence and see if we can't get some of the white bass. In the meantime, we'll be looking for them to keep bursting at the surface, seeing if we can't get them that way. Let's get to it. Kids start waking up and the wind starts picking up. So. There we go. Wonder what it is, man. It feels big. Oh, it's good. Good white bass. Gosh, look at that. There we go. Don't know if you can see that. All right, man. Good size white bass on a jerkbait. Yep, another one. Feels like a white bass again. What is it? Yeah, looks like one. Yep. Nice. Another good fish. There we go. And a nice one. A white bass. Number 4. Another white jerkbait. Yes, sir. Behind us. What is this? Oh, look at that! Big old bluegill. Wow, that's my first bluegill this year. It's a ambitious guy. All right, well, I made it to the house without making an outro, so I thought I'd do one real quick. But had a fun couple of hours out there. Caught 2 largemouth and 2 white bass on a jerkbait, and then I caught a bluegill on a shaky head, which was kind of fun. I think the white bass run is kind of winding down. You know, there definitely weren't as many. I know there's been a lot of people out there after them, which is awesome and stuff. People having a good time. So, but yeah, so we'll be hitting more lakes, more rivers and everything. Hopefully the Lake Maumelle level sort of stabilizes, and, you know, we'll be hoping for that. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.